If you're used to riding with furry little passengers, then you know cleaning up their fur can be tricky. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make it easy. Luckily, our animals are great shedders. Let's start by misting the problem area with a little bit of water to make it easier to pick up the fur. Gently scrub the fur into one area. Rubber gloves usually work best for this job. But if you don't have any, you can also use a sponge. Or even a soft bristled brush. Tape works great too, but skip the water for this. Once you've gathered most of the fur into one spot, you can vacuum it all up. Wait, can we run that back really quick? Ah, now that's oddly satisfying. To clean out tighter spaces, remove any cats in the way. Oh, so soft. Now, put those rubber gloves back on. Reach in and start wiping the fur into one spot. Vacuum the area, and you'll be good to go. Nice job, Crouton, Honeysuckle, Gordo, Copernicus, Gouda, Mr. Fluffins, and Bob. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tips from our helpers.